Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have the proper role and access. Without it, the door stays locked. Walk toward the medication room shown on the map and use the nearest spawn to save time. Once at the door, interact with the access panel and equip your ID badge. This clears most basic locks. Make sure to check for any active shifts or cooldowns that prevent entry, and if there's a queue, wait nearby so you keep your spot. You now focus on getting the meds out. Interact with the cabinet, either enter the code you obtained or slide your keycard into the reader. The game gives visual feedback when successful. Once the cabinet opens, scan labels carefully and choose the correct bottle. Wrong meds can trigger alerts. After selecting, use the pickup or confirm button so the item moves into your inventory. Keep an eye on inventory slots and drop unnecessary items to avoid clutter. You finish by bringing the meds to the patient or designated station and performing the handoff animation required by the simulator. These complete the objective. If the medication vanishes, immediately open your inventory and hotbar to verify pickup, then check recent transactions or logs if available. If the problem persists, make sure your client is synced. Reconnect or relog to resolve common desync issues. One troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.